This video presents a complete bottled water filling line designed for starting a small water bottling business. Empty bottles are first transferred by an air conveyor made of high molecular wear-resistant plastic, ensuring smooth and stable bottle feeding. At the core of the line is an 883 rinsing, filling, and capping machine, providing reliable performance at 5,000 bottles per hour. After filling and capping, bottles move through a high-speed magnetic plate conveyor, ensuring precise and stable transportation. A bottle drying machine removes surface moisture, preparing bottles for accurate labeling. The line is equipped with an OPP labeling machine and a laser coding system to apply labels and production information efficiently. Finished bottles are then packed by an automatic shrink wrapping machine. This bottled water production line can be integrated with water treatment and bottle blowing systems as an option, making it a complete solution for small and medium bottled water projects.